Hello everyone. In this video I will share some of the sign convention that we need to follow to find the internal forces. So I will be sharing what is the sign convention of the shear force, what is the sign convention of bending moment, and what is the sign convention of axial force. What is the sign convention of bending moment, what is the sign convention of shear force, and what is the sign convention of axial force. So first we will talk about axial force. Axial force. Axial force is always along the member. It is always along the member, or we can say parallel to the member. So here in this case it is in compression. The nature of the axial force is in compression. So when you see that the axial force is in compression in nature, then the axial force is negative. And when the axial force are tensile in nature, then you take it as a positive. So you indicate positive for the tensile axial force, you indicate negative for the compression axial force. Okay, with regards to shear force, when you're following a direction, for example, you're following a direction left to right. If I take a beam, this is my beam, simply supported beam A, B, and I'm following a direction A to B. It means that I'm following a direction left to right. So when you're following this direction left to right, whatever the force which is going upward, take it positive, and whatever the force which is going downward, take it negative. This is the sign convention for shear force. Now let's talk about the sign convention of bending moment. The same, we have to define the sign convention with respect to the direction that we are following. If you are following left to right direction, left to right or A to B, then clockwise moment will be positive and anti-clockwise moment will be negative when you are following a direction left to right. And in case of, sometimes you also have to go from right to left. When you are following a direction from right to left, exactly opposite of this. You remember one direction, the sign convention of one direction, the other will be exactly opposite of this. Here clockwise will be negative, anti-clockwise will be positive.